Okay, determine the exact value of the 6 trig functions if the terminal side of theta passes through the point -5, -4. Rationalize. Okay, which quadrant are we going to be in if it's -5, -4? Should be third quadrant, right? Both x and y are negative. So if I draw this, I know there's my terminal side. The angle is with the x-axis. Right triangle is there. And I've got to label the sides. Okay, so the x is -5. The y is -4. Right. What do we need to fill in before we can find the 6 trig functions? The third side, right? The r. How do you do it? Okay, Taylor, go ahead. Yeah, Pythagorean theorem. Right. So r equals the square root of -5 squared plus -4 squared, which is the square root of 41. It's like excessive today. How many times? There. Okay. No time on it. No time on it. We'll wait. Square root of 41. And this happened a little bit on the quiz too, right? Sometimes people are writing this side as being negative. Remember, the r is never negative. This is defined as being a positive square root, right? If there's a negative involved, it's because those two sides might be negative, not because the r or the radius is negative. Okay, once we've got all those sides labeled, we can go ahead and do the 6 functions, right? The sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's -4 over the square root of 41, which I'm going to save a step and just say -4 root 41 over 41. The cosine, -5 over the square root of 41. The tangent, opposite, adjacent. -4 over -5, which is 4/5, right? Don't leave 2 negatives in there. Okay, then the reciprocals, again, across from the sine is the cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And they are, I mean, you could flip what you've already got or just come over here, right? The flip of the sine to be root 41 over -4. Negative root 41 over 4. Negative root 41 over 5. 5/4. Yeah, where you're probably going to be wrong in this is that you get it somehow, you get in the wrong quadrant. Or you assign like the negatives to the wrong place. That's where you got to be careful about.